Hi guys, it's Mrs. French here with your OG lesson for Monday, September 28th, 2020. I hope you're having a good day today and I miss seeing you guys. So we're going to jump right to our new learning today since I'm not there. Our rule today is the floss rule. The floss rule is that at the end of a one syllable word after one short vowel, the letters F, L, S, and Z are doubled. That means there's two of them. Okay, so at the end of a one syllable word after one short vowel, F is spelled FF. Z is spelled ZZ. S is spelled SS. And L is spelled LL. Those are the letters that we double at the end of a one syllable word after one short vowel. Okay, so we are going to skywrite those three parts 3 times. So we're going to say at the end of a one syllable word, L is spelled LL. At the end of a one syllable word, after one short vowel, ul is spelled LL. We'll just do that one more time. At the end of a one syllable word, after one short vowel, ul is spelled LL. F is spelled F. I meant F is spelled F. F is spelled F. F is spelled F. At the end of a one syllable word after one short vowel, S is spelled S. S is spelled S. S is spelled S. And last, again, at the end of a one syllable word after one short vowel, Z is spelled Z. Z is spelled Z. Z is spelled Z. All right. So now, and remember, that is called the floss rule. I actually have a poster up under the TV that you can check out and see. It'll help you kind of remember. So now we're going to go to some new words to read that follow that floss rule. So let's look up here at our chart. And I see the FF because huff, it's a one syllable word. It's got one short vowel. So F is spelled FF. This is really going to help you more when you're spelling, knowing this rule. So huff, off, puff, muff, cuff, and fluff. Okay, here we have it again for the L. We have one syllable, one short vowel. So L is spelled LL. Pill, sell, bell, fell, tell, and fill. All right, here we go again with the floss rule. Remember, it applies to S too. When it's a one syllable word after one short vowel, S is spelled SS. Sass, pass, kiss, boss, toss, and bass. That's a type of fish. I could have put floss on there for the floss rule. And then last, at the end of a one syllable word after one short vowel, Z is spelled ZZ. Jazz, fuzz, fizz, and buzz. Okay, so let's read those all together again. Huff, off, puff, muff, cuff, fluff, pill, sell, bell, fell, tell, fill, sass, pass, kiss, boss, toss, bass, jazz, fuzz, fizz, buzz. Let's look for some words. I know it might be kind of hard because of the glare, but hopefully you've heard them enough that you can probably find them and know which words I'm describing. So I'm looking for a word in column 4 that's a sound a bee would make. Did you say buzz? I'm looking for a word in column 1 that is an antonym or the opposite of on. Did you say off? I'm looking for a word in column 3 that is a type of fish. Did you say bass? I'm looking for a word in column 2 that is something you could ring. Did you say bell? I'm looking for a word in column 4 that is something that caused a great frenzy in one of our stories. Did you say fuzz? I'm not going to race you today because I won't know if I beat you or not, but we'll read all of the words one more time. Huff, off, puff, muff, cuff, fluff, pill, sell, bell, fell, tell, fill, sass, pass, kiss, boss, toss, bass, jazz, fuzz, fizz, buzz. Now we're going to get ready for our SRS. So you should hopefully already have your SRS paper. If you don't, please pause this video and get that. Let's turn so I can see what our sounds and stuff are. All right, here we go. Look at my mouth. Here's our first sound. Ah. Ah. Our next sound, E. Our next sound, I. And our last sound, U. Hey, hopefully you wrote A, I consonant E, or, oh, it was E consonant E, sorry. We're not going to go over it. I don't remember what I said. That's just how it is. So hopefully you got them right. We're going to go down to review words to spell. Okay, so here is our first word. I am really sorry about that. Our first word is slab. Slab. Let's finger spell. S-L-A-B. Our next word is test. Test. T-S. The next word is long. L-A-ng. And the last word is swim. S-W-I-M. If you ever need to pause because I'm going too fast, please do. I'm not there with you, so I can't kind of read when we're all about done. Okay, our new pattern, go down to our new pattern. We're going to write one on each line. I think you'll have to make an extra line because I think there's only 3. So our new pattern is that at the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, is spelled F, F, right? F, F. L is spelled L, L, right? L, L. S is spelled S, S, right? S, S. And last, Z is spelled Z, Z, right? Z, Z. Okay, we're going to go down to our new words to spell. Our first one, look at my mouth. Off, off. Let's finger spell. Off. Think about what we just learned for that F sound. Next one, bell, bell. Let's finger spell. B-E-L. Think about what we just learned. These are one syllable words with one short vowel. Our next word, pass, pass. P-A-S. And our last word, buzz, buzz. B-U-Z. Hopefully you remembered to double all of those consonants at the end. All right, we're going to go down to our memory word for today. So I'm going to write it over here. I'll have to check and make sure it's showing up. Our memory word today, I'm going to put a little cloud around it. Could. Say it with me. Could. Like, I could go over to my friend's house. Okay? So could is kind of hard to spell, but I have a fun little trick for you guys. But I have to go get a poster real quick. It's over on the wall. I keep it over here. And I wasn't ready to have it out for you just yet. But this little thing helps us learn how to spell several new memory words. Okay, so could, I think of saying, could old Uncle Larry dance? That first letter of each word is the rest of the spelling. So could old Uncle Larry dance is spelled C-O-U-L-D. Isn't that a kind of funny picture? We're going to use old Uncle Larry dancing to help us with would, could, and should this week. So our memory word again is could. So let's skywrite could. Okay. C-O-U-L-D. Could. Again, C-O-U-L-D. Could. Again, C-O-U-L-D. Could. All right, on your paper, now look up here first. The first letter, look, see, write it. The next letter, look, O, write it. Next, look up here, U, write it. L, write it. And D, look, write it. Okay, now write it 3 more times, spelling it as you go. Okay, C-O-U-L-D. Do that 3 times. Okay, if you weren't done, you can pause this and come back. But let's get ready. Let's take a picture of it in our brain. Close our eyes and let's skywrite it. C-O-U-L-D. Could. Now cover it up on your paper and see if you can write it without looking. Think, could old Uncle Larry dance? Check it. How did you do? If you got it, kiss your brain. If not, just keep practicing. Like I said, we're going to practice with this little trick all week. Okay, so our sentence, let's go down to our sentence. Did Tom get a brass grill? Say it with me. Did Tom get a brass grill? Let's count the words. Did Tom get a brass grill? Don't forget to check it for cops. Don't forget your new learning for it either. I'll see you tomorrow.